Now let's dive into AWS and we have to search here as 3. If you have account, you can just log into your AWS account. If you don't have, you have to create your AWS account. Then you have on the dashboard, you have to search S3 and you have to go to the S3. And here you will see uh, this dashboard where you can create bucket and you can see the list of buckets you have. So first of all, we are going to create our first bucket. Create bucket and give a name to your bucket. I will give name code with move S3 DevOps. You can give any name, but give a unique name. Then we have to here object ownership. Right now we will disable it as recommended for now, but later on we will also play around how we can enable why and the reason behind it. And block public access settings for this bucket, so I'm just going to keep it as it is. We have to just click on create the bucket. When the bucket is created, we are going to learn about how we can get notified when something happened on our S3. Is there any mechanism? Suppose this is my bucket, and inside this bucket, I want to get notified like when an object is deleted, or maybe when an object is updated, or when the object is created. So I want to get notified on my email. So what I will do, I have to go to the management. We have to go into the properties where we can set up notifications, which is event notification. So to create the event notifications, we have to do some things before we create this, because we want to make sure how we will get notified, what will be the mechanism, what will be the method. Okay, so at the end you will see we have some protocols, like we can use lambda function, SNS. These are the services of AWS. So I will be using SNS. Okay, so because I have to create a topic, okay, SNS topic, before I create this event notification. So what I have to do, I will just search SNS, simple notification service, and here you have to create a topic. Click on topics and create a topic. Just do a standard. My topic name will be email messaging, just something simple. And here we have to just keep the settings by default right now and create a topic. And when the topic is created, we have to update the policy here. Okay, so this should our S3 will be able to send events to this SNS, and this SNS will send to our email. So I will first of all create a subscription here, protocol. So I want to receive an email. I will enter my email code with move, and I will just create a subscription. Okay, I have to enter complete name. So when this subscription is created, you will get a notified from AWS. So if I show you, and here you can see I have received this notification. Okay, so I will confirm to this subscription to receive the emails. Okay, subscription is confirmed. Now I will go back to my topic, and one more thing that we have to configure, which is we have to update the policy here. To update the policy, I'm just going to use a policy template that I have, which is available in the article. So I will just I have to edit the policy. So I will just click on edit, access policy, and here you have to replace with the policy. And the few things we have to update here, first of all, account ID. So this is my account ID. I will just copy and I will replace. And also the bucket, region name, because I'm using US East 1, and SNS topic name. My SNS topic name is that I have created. The topic name was email. And then we have to also replace the name of account, ID of the account here as well. And then you have to also change the region name if the region is different. And then you have to update the bucket here account ID, which is fine. And then SNS topic name, which is email. And here the bucket name. The bucket name is code with move S3, and I think it's DevOps. Everything is fine. Just make sure you have into the correct details, and then you can save these changes. Save these changes, and then you have to go back to your AWS S3 and go to the properties tab, and here you have to click on event notification, create an event notification. You can give any name, events. If you want to only receive a particular folder, then you have to tell which folder objects. If something happen into specific folder, then you can receive notification only related to that folder objects. But I'm just going to apply on my whole bucket, so I don't need to make changes here. And then event type, like I want to get a notification when objects are removal, okay, like permanent delete, or if you want to just want to specify, then you can choose here as well. And we can also choose like post when the objects is created or removed, so we can get a notification. So just scroll down, you can get notification on a lot of things. There's a lot of options you can utilize, and choose the SNS topic that I have already created, and this was my SNS topic. So what I will do, I will just make a save changes. Okay, so you have to wait, because when the SNS topic is created, sometimes it takes time to get ready and utilize. So if I have to go to my SNS topic, and if I just try to copy the ARN, okay, and I have to go and try to enter the ARN of the topic. Okay, still sometimes it takes a little time to get ready to use. So we have to just confirm one thing more as well, which is the policy. So if I just go to the policy, okay, and I have to double check if something is wrong, anything is wrong, then we can confirm it. And if I have to look here, my region name is correct, okay, my account ID, and this is my topic name, and this is my account ID, which is also good, and US East 1, which is region, that's fine, and also the account ID, SNS topic, everything is good. And this is my S3 bucket name. Okay, so here you can see what mistake we did, code with move. So U is missing here. That's why it's very important. We have to make sure if we are going to, in the policy, we have to make sure we have entered the correct. Otherwise, SNS, event notification will not be created in the S3. So I can just double confirm my bucket name, which is code with move S3 DevOps. So I can make sure, okay, all good now. So now I will make save changes, and then I have to go and I have to create the notifications again. Go to the properties and click on create notification, give a name, events, and then just we can, all object creation, removal, and choose SNS, save changes, and you can see now. So it can take little time. Also make sure the policy is correct. No, I'm just going to do one thing in my account, my bucket. I'm going to delete this object. If I have to delete this object, I should be getting notified via email that object is deleted. So just click on permanently delete, and if I go to my email inbox, I will be able to see a notification from AWS. And you can see here, I have received the notification that an event happened, okay, and the object is removed. So we can get notifications, okay. So event name is object removed. That is how you can set SNS with S3, so you can get notified if something happened into your bucket. And if you like this video and you have enjoyed, you can subscribe to my channel, and you can hit the like button and share this video with someone who is also looking to learn S3 service. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.